How to change the style of your fingerprint animation, and this is for the OnePlus 12 or the 12R. So whether you just want to view the different styles they have or you already have your fingerprint set up and you want a new style, you can use the quick panel access and tap on the gear icon settings right there, this one right here. Go ahead and tap on that. That'll take you to the main settings of your OnePlus phone, then go down to where it says wallpapers and style. And as you enter into this right here, you will see all these options here and simply just go to where it says fingerprint animation. And again, even if you don't have your fingerprint set up yet, but you just want to get a view of all the different styles here, you can come right here and browse through them. So at default, it'll be on the fizz here. You have the bubble now, you got the stardust, got the cosmos here, and we got some of the old time ones like the ripple and the stripe here and fireworks here. Now, if you don't want none at all, you can just switch to none and that's up to you, but you can come back here and change these at any given time, like it's